Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Cyber Fueled IT. Today, we have an exciting topic for our Windows enthusiasts out there, the Windows System File Checker. If you have ever encountered system errors or corrupted files or random crashes, this tool just might be your knight in shining armor to help you out. So let's dive right in and see what the System File Checker is all about. First things first, what exactly is the System File Checker, or SFC? Well, it's a built-in utility within Windows that can help you scan and restore corrupted system files. It's almost like a digital doctor, right? It'll diagnose and fix the issues that may be causing instability across your system. Now, you probably are wondering, why would you even bother with System File Checker? Well, the simple answer is maintaining your system is just like maintaining your car, right? So you need to change the oil, air pressure in the tires, all of the things to make sure your car is running perfectly. The System File Checker does the same exact thing for Windows. It's available in Windows 10, it's available in Windows 11. It helps restore issues and resolve issues like system crashes, blue screens, and other application malfunctions. So now that we have an understanding of what System File Checker is, why it should be used for maintaining your system, and just running it every so often, let's go ahead and take a look at it. It's a very straightforward process, but the results can be incredibly helpful for any system that's experienced instability. So first things first, you'll want to open up the command prompt as an administrator, and to do this, you can click on the Start button. And up at the top, if you're in Windows 11, you have a search for apps, and you're going to type in CMD for command prompts. Now, what you're going to get is a command prompt that comes up here showing an application, or you can get one that's over here, right? As the box kind of shows you an expanded version of that. So what you need to do is run as administrator. You can either right click on the icon here and run as an administrator, or click over on the box as it's expanded on and click run as administrator. And what that's going to do is you're going to get a Windows command prompt that opens up. Now, once you have the command prompt open, you're going to type in SFC with a space after, and then / scan now. And this is going to start this scanning process, and it will take a few minutes to complete. So have some patience, go get some coffee, go relax. But what this utility is going to do is it's going to scan through your system files, it checks their integrity, and it will replace any corrupted file with clean copies from either local cache or, if necessary, any type of original installation media if it's required. So after the scan is complete, the tool will provide a summary of its findings. If it's detected any issues, it will be mentioned in the results. So right here, as you can see, the Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations on this machine, which is a good thing since this is a brand new virtual install. I was hoping that there wouldn't be any issues, but you never know. So take a look at the information when you run this scan and see what it finds. It should provide you a pretty good outlook as to what that was. So before I wrap up, there's a couple quick tips for additional information about using the System File Checker. One, running the tool in safe mode can give you more accurate results. Two, if the SFC isn't able to fix your issues, you may need to use something called the Deployment Imaging Service and Management Tool. It's also known as the DISM for additional repairs. And I'll have a video for that as well as to what that actual tool does. But it is a little bit more of an advanced tool, and it allows you to do some more advanced repairs so you don't have to always reinstall Windows, which everybody dreads doing. And lastly, the last tip here is performing SFC scans for like proactive maintenance and your routine is critical for keeping your system in top shape. It really does fix a lot of things that are out there. And there you have it, folks. That is a quick guide on using the Windows System File Checker. It is a powerful tool that can help keep your system running very smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and a like. Subscribe for more Windows tips and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy computing.